Hello! In this video, we're going to explore how to embed a Trupeer video into a mini course generator. Start by selecting a video from Trupeer and then click on the Share option. A pop-up will appear. Within that, click on the Embed option. Copy the HTML code provided and head over to the mini course generator. Before embedding the video, you need to create a project. Once your project is set up, you'll notice an Add Block section in the project. Go ahead and click on it. On the right side menu, you'll find several options available. Select the HTML format, then drag and drop it where needed. Then paste the HTML code you copied earlier into the HTML box and click on the Embed option. Now you'll see the selected video from Trupeer appear on the mini course generator. That's how you can embed a Trupeer video on Mini Course Generator. Thank you.